Hey guys, welcome back to Family Meals with Jade. Today we're making vegan cupcakes, so here we go.
Recipes that you can make with your family. Let's go! Family Meals with Jade.
Okay guys, the ingredients you're going to need for these vegan cupcakes will be cake batter, apple cider vinegar, vegetable oil, icing, and almond milk. Also, some of you guys might not know this, but I'm allergic to all dairy products. So this is a great substitute for me. Also, they're really good. Okay, our first step is to pour in our cake batter. You could use any flavor, but I'm using classic yellow because it's my favorite. Alright, our second step is to pour in 1 cup of almond milk. Okay, now we're going to pour in 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil. Okay, this is our third step. We're going to be using our apple cider vinegar. It calls for 2 teaspoons. Now we're going to whisk it. And if you didn't know, apple cider vinegar is actually a substitute for eggs. So we're done whisking, and remember not to over whisk it. Now we're going to put our cupcake liners in and pour our batter in. Tip of the day, make sure not to overflow it with batter because when it's baking, you want it to rise. So our oven is preheated at 350 degrees. Now we're going to place our cupcakes in for about 20 to 23 minutes. So my cupcakes finished baking and my dad took them out the oven. I let them cool for about 5 to 8 minutes. Now, let's frost. So I finished decorating our cupcakes. We used the cupcake and cookie decorating set, but you could use whatever you like. I also want to take a second to thank our sponsor, the Happy Extruder. You can check out his channel in the link in the description. It's really awesome. And like always, make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Anyways guys, bye! This looks so good.
Family Meals with Jade. Is that your hungry belly? Oh, maybe it's time to cook with our little chef Jade. It would be so fun with good